Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this cracking little 108 in the active specification. So this car's done less than 5,500 miles, comes with a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth, there's air conditioning, a speed limiter, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. So this car comes with a 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 68 horsepower. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.